Hello, my name is Ron Z. This is an unboxing and review of a Belkin Thunderbolt-3 Dock Mini that I received for free to evaluate. The model number is F4U098. Belkin's Dock Mini is primarily for MacBook and Windows users. One Dock Mini can support two high-resolution HDMI 4K displays at 60 Hz. That's dual 4K monitors operating simultaneously. For example, one could use the Dock Mini to drive a 4K computer monitor plus a 4K TV. Audio over HDMI is supported. Lower-cost USB-C docks can at best support only one 4K monitor at 60 Hz or two 4K monitors at 30 Hz. Belkin's Dock Mini also provides a USB 2 Type-A port for a keyboard or mouse, a USB 3.1 Type-A port good for external storage, SSD or HD, and a Gigabit Ethernet port for a wired network. The Dock Mini is bus-powered through the laptop's Thunderbolt port. No external power supply is required. I'm impressed that the Dock Mini is so easy to set up. Almost always, it's plug and play. With a Dock Mini, moving a mobile laptop only requires two wires to be dealt with, the power cable and the Thunderbolt cable. The Dock Mini is well built. It feels and looks like a high-quality product. The shell is made of aluminum. Front and back are high-quality black plastic. That's where the ports are located and the cable connects. The Dock Mini is compact, portable, and lightweight. It does not take up much desk space. Width is 5.1 inches. Depth is 3.1 inches. Height is 0.8 inch. Weight is 6.3 ounces. The color is satin silver and black. There is a small, discreet Belkin logo on the top corner. Ports are clearly labeled. There are four rubberized feet on the bottom to keep the Dock Mini from sliding around on your desk. The single permanently attached Thunderbolt 3 cable has a length of 6.8 inches. The operating temperature range is 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Probably the most useful port on today's premium laptops is their Thunderbolt 3, TB3. Thunderbolt 3 really makes a big difference. If you've never had a laptop with a Thunderbolt 3 port, you may not fully realize its necessity, usefulness, and significance. Not only is it very useful today, but down the road, Thunderbolt 3 will likely supersede and replace all other laptop port connections. Once a user experiences the benefits of having a Thunderbolt 3 port, they'll never purchase a laptop without one. Thunderbolt 3 itself is an Intel product. Today, Intel provides the Thunderbolt protocol royalty-free to OEMs and chip manufacturers to boost its adoption. What's not given free is Thunderbolt certification. Both Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4 have a 40 gigabit per second throughput. This 40 gigabit per second data transfer rate is automatically distributed by the Dock Mini across all the connected devices. USB 3.1 bandwidth is 10 gigabits per second. USB 3.0 is only 5 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt 2 bandwidth is 20 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt 4 is basically an Intel renamed, rebranded, and certified version of Thunderbolt 3, with some additional new features. Thunderbolt 4 is based on open standards and has backward compatibility with earlier USB standards as well as with Thunderbolt 3. Thunderbolt 1 and 2 use mini DisplayPort connectors. Thunderbolt 3 and 4 utilize the small USB-C connector. Thunderbolt 3 is a big deal for laptops. Replacing USB-A connectors with much smaller Thunderbolt 3 USB Type-C connectors allows the design of compact, thinner, ultra-slim laptops with much faster speeds. Physically, a Thunderbolt 3 port looks identical to the conventional USB 3 Type-C connector. Both connectors are reversible. However, the data transfer rate of Thunderbolt 3 is a phenomenal 40 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt 3 is twice the speed of Thunderbolt 2, 4 times faster than USB 3.1, and 8 times faster than USB 3.0. The current crop of name brand premium laptops incorporate Thunderbolt 3 ports. These are laptops offered by Asus, Apple, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Samsung, and the other usual suspects. Any laptop I purchase needs to have Thunderbolt ports. This requirement is both for current productivity and to future-proof my laptop investment. The Belkin Thunderbolt-3 Dock Mini requires a computer with a Thunderbolt 3 port. It will not work on a straight USB port, even if it has a USB-C connector. If your laptop has a USB-C connector port, verify that it has Thunderbolt 3 functionality before purchasing the Dock Mini. Windows users can check that there is a Thunderbolt entry in Device Manager under System Devices. The Dock Mini requires a laptop running Mac OS, Sierra 10.12 and newer, or Microsoft 8 and newer. Most users today will be using it with Windows 10. For most users, connecting the Dock Mini will be plug-and-play easy, without any need to install drivers or modify settings. However, as a tip to any Windows user who discovers that the Dock Mini is not working properly, Thunderbolt security settings in either your BIOS or in Windows might need to be adjusted. Also, since power for the Dock Mini and the connected peripherals comes from the Thunderbolt computer port, for reliable operation, do not exceed a cumulative 15 watts of power. Take care and verify that the cumulative power requirement of all the devices connected does not exceed 15 watts, because that's the maximum power that can be output to a Thunderbolt 3 port by the laptop. Exceeding that may cause finicky performance, devices not powering up, unreliable USB ports, or possible data corruption. That's what happens when devices don't have enough power supplied to them. At the time this review was written, Amazon's price for Belkin's Thunderbolt 3 Dock Mini was $138. The price has fluctuated between $110 and $165. Belkin's website listed price was $140, offering an additional 15% discount for subscribing. Belkin International Incorporated, an American manufacturer of consumer electronics, is headquartered in California. Belkin was founded in 1983. Belkin International is the parent company for Belkin and Linksys branded products. Belkin offers a 2-year warranty on the Thunderbolt 3 Dock Mini. Plus, according to their website, the Belkin F4U098 comes with a $2,500 connected equipment warranty for the repair or replacement of connected equipment damaged from surges or spikes that occur when they are properly connected. The Dock Mini is FCC certified in the USA, and it meets California's Proposition 65 specifications. Also, it's compliant with the European Union's Restriction of Hazardous Substances, RoHS. Belkin provides technical support in multiple ways. There's a toll-free telephone number, 800-223-5546. I made 2 test calls on a weekday during normal business hours. After some automated prompts, technical support answered the phone almost immediately. The same helpful representative who answered both calls said they were located in the Philippines. Technical support can also be obtained via email, belkincares@belkin.com. There is an interactive chat available on their website, belkin.com. Issues can be posted to Twitter, tweet at Belkin Cares. Community forums list problems and solutions, community.belkin.com. I hope you found my presentation enjoyable and helpful. Channel subscribers will receive notifications as new Belkin product reviews are posted. Goodbye and good luck.